In my next example, I have a half x minus 4 is smaller than 6. So again, I want to solve for x, so I move the 4 to the right hand side and that becomes plus 4. And if I simplify, I have a half x is smaller than 10. And now to remove the fraction, I multiply the left and the right side with the reciprocal of the fraction. So 2 times a half is equal to 1. So on the right hand side I have x, and 10 times 2 over 1 is equal to 20. So x would be smaller than 20. So if I consider a number line, I would find 20 on the number line and indicate that with an open O, because x is not equal to 20, but we start from 20, and we want to find values that are smaller than 20. So that is towards the left hand side of 20. That includes 15, 1 or 2, 0, and every negative value, fraction or decimal which is smaller than 20. And for our interval notation, we have negative infinity as our minimum value with a curved bracket, and 20 as our maximum value, also with a curved bracket, showing that x cannot be equal to 20.